Everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. Ajiro Tech. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the CIE, IGCSE Information and Communication Technology, Paper 3 Data Analysis, and October, November 2022. This was just a paper that was written a few months ago. So we're going to be looking at it. So let's go to data analysis. Right, yeah, that's two spreadsheet. Okay. You're going to create a spreadsheet for the Tower Wildlife Trust. This will display data about donations given by individuals and companies. In other countries to their global conservation projects, these donations are made in the currency of that country. Tower Wildlife Trust records their finances in Tower dollars, so each donation must be converted into this currency. Display Tower currency as, and this kind of looked like something we did in my previous video. So yeah, kind of almost looking like the same, but let's go. Right, do not edit the data file provided unless instructed to do so. Open and examine the files rather, n22 donate.csv. So let's open it. Okay, I think I have it zipped here, so let me extract this. I'm just going to right click and click on extract all. Okay, I have it opened here, so I have it donate. Okay, all right, let's look at it. Oh, we still have some things on there. Okay, all right, do we still have other things on there again? No. Okay, all right, so we don't have. Okay, so here we have the code, the project name, total donation, and down here we have date, country donated to, donations, local currency. Okay, all right, let's open the currency file as well. N22 currency. Okay, now place in the footer of the 22 donate file. So let's go to donate. Let's go to insert. Let's go to right here on the text group, headers and footers. Go to footer. Left align the text edited by, copy, followed by space, center number AN0170. If you've been following my videos, guys, you know what this is, what AN070 means, right? If followed by space, then your name. What did I just do? Okay, what else? Your name. Okay, center number. Okay, 2023. What else? Right align the automated file name with no file path. Okay, so they just want right align, just want the file name with no file path. So obviously we're going to click here. Save this as a spreadsheet with the file name donates underscore, copy, followed by your center number, candidate number. Okay, so I'll click on view, change it to normal view, file, save as, center number 2023. We're saving this as a spreadsheet. That's 3 marks, guys, without doing literally nothing. Okay. All right. I know you did something. All right. So enter a formula in cell E27. 29 to display the ISO of the currency for the country displayed in cell 29, in cell B29. Okay, so this is the VLOOKUP. And why am I just going to VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP, because if we go, now they say we're using what? The external file is entry into currency for the array. Now this simply means that if you look at this, you know this is the VLOOKUP, right? I think I've explained it time and time. Obviously, you just comment in here. So what we're going to do here is this. Is going down to the end. Okay, this is going to be the second column, and it's going to be oh, okay, sorry, I knew something was wrong. We have nothing to look up. The lookup value is just looking at us. What am I looking up, guys? What am I looking up? So I'm looking up country, comma, and this is going to be from the second column, and it's going to be an exact match. Okay, and this is 8 marks. Whoa. Enter a formula in cell F29. That's question 3. F29 to look up the exchange rate for this country using the external file N22 for the array. So we're going to be looking up equals to VLOOKUP. The lookup value is going to be the country, obviously, and the table array, you want to see the exchange rate. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be an exact match. Okay, enter a formula in cell G29. Okay, yeah, to calculate the donations into our dollars by dividing the value. So let me do equals to the value of what? By dividing the value in the donation in local currency okay, in local currency column, okay, divided by okay by the exchange rate. So we're dividing the value in the donation in local currency column okay by the exchange rate. So that's the VLOOKUP. Okay, the lookup value is going to be the country as well, and the table array by the exchange rate. Okay, this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be an exact match. Okay, so for $1 the exchange rate You see, to calculate donation to hour by dividing the value. Okay, we have already brought in the exchange rate. Let me see this. Let me see, this could be. Let me just copy this and let me paste this as just a value. Okay, so this is deleted and this is equals to the donations divided by the exchange rate. Yes, the same, right? So obviously we're not doing any lookup because we're just entering a formula to calculate the donations in tower by dividing the values in the donation in the local currency column by the exchange rate, rounding this value down to two decimal places. Okay, so let's round it down. So this is equals to round down, okay, to two decimal places. All right, thank you. All right, replicate this formula entered in step 2, 3, and 4 for all donations. So let's replicate. Okay, this is replicated. Okay, for the exchange rates, let's donations into our dollars. Let's replicate. Remember, okay, remember that in this question they said the tower display tower currency as dollars two decimal places. Click on home. Currency. Remember they said as a currency, not accounting, so they want to see that. Let's keep going. Use cell G29 to C15 to create a name range called to C29. Okay, C29. Okay, C29 to what? C115. So let's create the name range. So right here we're going to go to data, sorry, formulas. We're going to define the name for it, define name, and we're going to call it just a simple tool. Okay, now it's now called tool. Use cell G29 G okay G29 to create a name which is called amount. Okay, define name for it and we're going to call it amount. Okay, done. Take a screenshot evidence of the creation of this name range and place it in your evidence document. So I'm going to go to the manager name and we're going to take screenshot of the amount. Take my snipping tool. One, and let's create the evidence document. Let's see. So we're going to create a new word process document. So let's create it. I'll click on my word. Okay. Appear on every page of this document. So that will be insert, header, 3 columns, Ajiro, I'm just going to make everything center line, left align in this case. Okay, and I'm going to take off everything here. Okay, save this evidence document your work area as N22 evidence. Copy. Save as. So what do we look for? Okay, followed by a center number, candidate number. Just want to be sure. Okay, close. So I'm going to bold this. So in uppercase, bolded, evidence. I'm just going to put this as what? Evidence what? 5. I think I see 5. Not really sure. Let's go back. No, evidence 1. Okay, evidence 1 here. And you paste it. Nope. Go back to here, copy. This is one of the beauty of this name range. The snipping to rather. Cancel. Click on new. Okay. Okay, so we have amount, we have total. So which one is first? I think okay, I think I'm just gonna do this picture. I'll make this true. True as well. So this is so yes, just to arrange it, make it tall, and then they can see right here. Okay, the files. And these 2 marks. Now enter a formula in cell C7. Okay, close. C7. Okay. To calculate the total of the donations to this project using the project code and the name range created in step 6. Okay, so this is going to be a sum if, because I said calculate the total of the donations to this project. So equals to sum add the cells specified by giving conditions. So sum if the range is going to be, let's look at it, calculate the total of donations is going to be to, comma, the criteria is going to be using the project code. Okay, the sum range, okay, is going to be the amount. I don't know if that makes sense. So total is to check the total donations. This is going to be the criteria, is going to be the product, the project code, and of course the sum range. Okay, so for general no specified project, we have this, and then let's see, replicate this formula to all projects. Okay, let's see. Okay, Merge cell A1 to C1. Say A1 to C1. Merged. A3 to C3. And C27 to G27. A27 to C27. Format the top of the spreadsheet to look like this. Merge the cells in row 1 and row 5 to have a blue background. Okay, but let's do this. 2 and 4. Make it 16. Okay, 16. Okay, let me see. It's fine. Okay, we want to have a blue background with white text. So this is going to be center. Also going to be center. Blue background. With your white text. This is going to be area. Bold. So this was left in Calibri. Okay. Okay. The project. A1. E5. Oh, okay. Okay, let's have this A27 as well to have this A27 to G27. So let's have this. Now they said, I think I'm going to do this. I think I'm faster when I do it like this. So we just get everything sorted real quick. Okay, they said to this, format the text in row 1 to be 20 point high. So that was close. Okay. Format the merge cell in row 27 so it matches row 5. So this probably is going to be 18. Alignment is center. It's going to be 18. Right here, the background is going to be this, white, and it's going to be bolded. Okay. Right, so I think we're good to go. Yeah. Okay. Now what is the next thing? Apply appropriate formatting to the values stored in column C in the project table and column G in the donation table. So appropriate formatting, what is appropriate formatting? If you come here, the formatting right here is dollars to 2 decimal places. Okay. So let's get that done. Column C. So I'm just going to highlight everything right here and make it dollar. Now, if this is accounting, it's going to have a dash right here. Okay, but if I change it to currency, it's going to be in okay. So save your spreadsheet. So let me save the spreadsheet real quick. Click on file, save. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure it is in landscape. Okay, make sure it is in landscape. So let's show in the formulas, right? So click on formulas, show formulas. I want to be sure that everything is looking good. Print. It is in landscape. Yes. What else? If it's in landscape, the rows and column headings are displayed. Okay. The content of all cells are fully visible. Okay. Let me just check. Oh, it's bolded, guys. The codes are bolded. So let me go back, undo this. The codes are bolded. Okay, they're bolded. Let me see. They are centered aligned. This is what is important, that in a print preview, you always know the difference, right? You see everything for yourself. Okay, so yes, so we have that done. Now we can show the formulas. Click on file, click on print. Okay, the content of all cells are fully visible. This is going to be 8 pages, guys. 8 pages. Okay, let's see what we can do here. I think we can fit this to 2 page wide. Okay, Let me see. No, no, it's not gonna work. Two page tour. Two page tour. Let me see. Yep, I think this is better. I think everything can be seen here. But I'm going to quickly print and then I'm going to see for myself. Okay. I'm going to see for myself. So this is going to be printer one. So let me check. I want to ensure they are fully visible. Yes, I'm going to go with this. Yep, I'm definitely going to go with this. I think it's clear. Yep, I think this is okay. Yeah, the examiners are going to say it real well, and it has the columns. Okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, it's okay. The 2 and 4 is there. Um, the 2 and 4 is there. Just real quick. 2 and 4 that was hidden is okay. Yeah, so we're good to go. So let's go back to our work. Now set the page orientation to portrait. Format the text in row 28 so that it is center aligned both vertically and horizontally. In row 28, so I'm going to undo the formulas. Okay. Okay. So that it is center aligned both vertically and horizontally. I think this is done. We can just do this vertically and horizontally. Format the text in D28 so that it is wrapped. Okay. Make sure that the cell content are fully visible and fit on a single page wide without changing the font size. Okay, so format the text in D28 to G28. Okay. Okay, so that is wrapped. Okay. All right. Print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the orientation is portrait. Okay, so I think we're just going to print this. only this. Print, print selection. It fits on a single page wide. Okay. Okay. I'm just looking what they said. I think I'm just going to print everything, guys, because there's no way they told us to print only this. So I'm just going to print everything. Yeah, I'm just going to print everything. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Nothing is overlapping. D, E, F, G is wrapped. Yep, it's good. It fits on a single page wide. The content of all cells are fully visible. Yeah, you can see it fits on a single page wide. It could be whatever tall, but the rows and column headings are not displayed. Okay, this is going to be my printout too. Copy. You extract the project with the highest donation in week 2. Open and examine the file n22 week 2.csv in a spreadsheet package. Wow. Okay. You extract the project with the highest donation in week 2. Yes. Extract only the project with the highest donation of at least $15,000. Okay. So I'm just going to do this. Filter. Extract only the project with the donations of at least $15,000. So right here, okay, at least 15,000. Now when we look at the set of at least, so the minimum is going to be $15,000. So it's going to be greater than, right, equals to $15,000 because it's at least 15,000 what dollars. And then we have this. Sort the data into descending order of project name. Custom sort. Let's go back here and see. No, let me just take this off and down. Let me say custom sorts. Okay, so everything is. Oh, okay. I think I made a mistake, guys. So I'm just gonna do this again, and I want to see what I did wrong. And it's important to always check, because to always examine, because they'll always tell you examine the file. Very, very important that you examine. So let me check what I did wrong. Critical equals to, okay, yeah, probably I didn't see it because for at least it must be 15,000. Okay, yes, okay, now I know I've missed something, and going to highlight it, custom sort. Please always read the question again. The project name is going to be in descending order. Okay, print the spreadsheet extra showing the values. Make sure it fits on a single page. Okay, I prefer this. Rows and column headings are visible. Okay, content of all cells are fully visible. Okay, this is going to be our printer 3. So guys, we are finally done, and it's important to let's just go back to check. Very important to always check. Yes, it is. Please always print it to PDF. Very, very important. Print it to PDF to see how your work looks like in real time before it is being sent to the printer. Please print it in PDF. You want to see your own self to know that it looks good. Okay, so with this we are done. Thank you for watching, and don't just watch, please also practice along with it, and please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of this. Okay, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.